Meaning of headed.
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 Headed. Headed is a verb that means to be going in a certain direction or towards a specific goal. It can also mean to be in charge or responsible for something. The word can be used in many different contexts, such as a team headed by a coach, a company headed for bankruptcy, or a person headed to the airport. In essence, it implies a sense of direction and purpose toward a particular destination or outcome. Overall, the word headed suggests a clear path forward with a specific end in sight.